Good morning and welcome. My name is Sussex Sandra and welcome to my channel. Right, so this morning I have another unboxing for you and it is the one from Birchbox. So it arrived yesterday, finally arrived on the 14th of January. So I must be receiving my Birchbox at least a week and a half after everybody else's. So I'm not impressed, but never mind. I've realised I should apologise. I actually filmed the Look Fantastic box yesterday as well because that arrived yesterday as well. So both of these boxes arrived on the 14th of January. I did film the Look Fantastic one. I edited it last night. I just haven't uploaded it and I'm not going to have a chance to upload it now, probably until this evening. So I've got a feeling that this box and the Look Fantastic box videos will both be uploaded around the same time. So you're going to get two videos in one from me. Yeah! Alright, so let's go through this box. So this is Birchbox Beauty Box. It's a monthly subscription box. The UK have a box and America has a box as well, I believe. It costs £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging. Has it got a peely thing? Or do I need to cut all the way through? I need to cut all the way through, can't remember. So you normally get 4 to 5 items inside the box. The thing I don't like about Birchbox is that it tends to have very small, itchy, bitchy, weedy little items in there, and it can be a little bit annoying. What I do like about Birchbox is that you tend to get very innovative new ideas, new products on the market. So it might not be the best quality products, but it'll be a new formula, a new formation of it. So I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the first beauty box to do jelly style makeup products last year was Birchbox. So here we go. This is the Birchbox this month. I haven't seen anybody else's Birchbox videos, which has been really annoying for me this month actually, because what I normally do, I don't normally watch anybody else's unboxings until I've done my own, because I don't want to know what's in the boxes yet. I know that people do get variations of the boxes, of the contents of the boxes, because we do fill out a profile on Birchbox, and they do, I think they do try to follow the guidelines of the person's preferences and and follow their profile. So I know sometimes that I might not get a product that other people might get, because I think most of the other people I know who do unboxings of Birchbox, they are white skinned, so I do notice that sometimes I might get a slightly different product, but we shall see. Now, each month Birchbox do send you an email. Once you subscribe to them, they send you an email of a sneak product for the following month, and you normally have a choice of shades or fragrance or whatever. I cannot remember what last month's sneak product preview was, so we'll find out anyway. But look at the design of this box. I'm trying to work out what it is. It looks like, I don't know, it's kind of round, dotty, a little bit of a texture. I mean, this is nice. It's a slightly embossed logo on there. Not quite sure what these are, but it's lots of round circles on it. It's very bright and kind of brings on spring, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, I see. Right, so it says shake your pom-poms. So maybe these are supposed to be pom-poms? What's that all about then? Are we going to get little pom-poms put on our nipples and go, hey, shake your pom-pom, shake your Are we going to get that? No, maybe not. Right, okay, here we go. So we have, this is the leaflet, and we have, okay, so it says, hello Birchboxers. The morning is very dark, so as usual I'm going to be struggling to read. So hello Birchboxers, ready to bring some cheer to the new year. Welcome January, the bright way to join us to shake your pom-poms as we get excited for the year ahead. Forget the grey weather, yeah, it's very grey. This month's Birchbox has been specifically designed to make even the gloomiest of days feel more vibrant. 2019, let's do this. Okay, alright, so I'm seeing some products here, so let me see if I can find the choice product. I can't remember what it was. What was it? Why can't I remember what the choice product was last month? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a highlighter. Okay, here we go. So that's this. So we've got yeah, forgive me, I'm a bit out of it this morning. Right, so we've got a highlighter product. So it's from CLE or Cle It's got a little accent above it. Cosmetics, and it's an Essence Moonlighter cushion in apricot tinge or copper rose. Infused with luminescent pearl powder, this innovative highlighter delivers a beautiful gleam to your skin. Plus it has an amazing cooling sensation when applied. Using the applicator puff or your fingers, smooth onto your cheekbones, down your nose and beneath your brows for instant radiance. Glow, get it. And they're saying this product is recommended retail price is £22. Okay, interesting. So I can't remember what shade I chose. I chose apricot tinge. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting is very poor this morning. So let's have a look and see what this is. I've got a couple of cushion foundations. Must admit I haven't used them since I tried them out actually. I must go back to them, give them another go. I just keep going to the same foundations all the time. Like this morning I've got my Dior Face and Body, the Backstage Face and Body foundation on this morning. I just love this foundation, so nice. Right, let's try and open this thing. So okay, so it looks like that on the inside. It's got a mirror and everything, so that's good. Okay, we've got a little puff, and I'm assuming it will open. There we go. Alright, so we've got the protective seal there. Let's take this off. Okay, so that's what the product looks like. Okay, and yep, it's spongy. Right, okay, I'm going to try some of this on. I haven't got a highlighter on today. I wasn't going to put one on, but okay. Let me bring you in so you can see what I'm doing here. Just hope I don't mess my face up. Okay, right, so this is the colour. That's what it looks like. It's very spongy. I'm going to just use my fingers here to dab it in. That's what it looks like on my hands. It's quite a... This is supposed to be an apricot tinge. It looks almost silvery. It's got a slight orangey tint to it, but not much. Right, let's use this mirror. Oh, the mirror is not very good quality. Let me get my own mirror here. It's one of those cheap plasticky mirrors that you can't see anything out of. Right, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, it's actually quite silvery, but let's... I can wear it though. I can wear it. It works. Okay, I'm going to use the puff, so I've just dabbed the puff in, do the other side. Yeah, I think I'd rather use my fingers because it gives me more control, but okay. I'm just going to do my Cupid's bow. I haven't put my lipstick on yet because I wasn't quite sure what was in this box this month though. Haven't put a lipstick on as yet. Okay, it works as a highlighter, so that's fine. That's something I will... Oh, it is kind of cooling actually. It is, yeah, it is actually quite cooling. Okay, so there you go. That's the first product this month, and that was our choice product. So, see, that's what I mean. Innovation. Oh God, I look like Rudolph. Look at that. Sparkle. Okay, that's a little bit too much. Wow, right, okay. Okay, right, next item in the box is this. So we've got some more hair products. So we've got something in the Look Fantastic box as well. So we've got some little pom-poms here. And these are, oh, this is just a little something extra they're saying. Pom Pom Hair Ties. Pom-pom ponytail, braids and top knots. When you need to pull your hair back, it's likely that you do it in a variety of ways. So why rely on your boring black hairband to tie it up? Inspired by this month's box theme, these pom-pom topped hair ties add a colourful finishing touch to whatever hairstyle you're rocking. Okay, so that's all cool. I will, just like yesterday, I will put this around my wrist because I am doing inspection, so I'll put these both around my wrist like that. Actually, it kind of goes with my tassel on my top. Okay, what else have we got here? So we also have this. So What do we have here? We're getting a lot of products from Dr. Botanicals at the moment. So we're getting the pomegranate, the PO range. So I'm already using the sleep mask. I've got the eye serum, which I'm using morning and night. And I'm actually really it's doing a decent job, that eye serum. So here we go, we've got this. So we've got Dr. Botanicals Cleansing Bar in Pomegranate. Oh, it's a soap. Superfood or cocoa and coconut. Right, so that's the 3 fragrances. 3 fragrances you can get are pomegranate, superfood or cocoa and coconut. Yeah, didn't read that very well, did I? So gentle enough for face and body. This is more than your average bar of soap. Formulated with 98% natural ingredients, it will cleanse, exfoliate and restore your natural glow. Lather using your hands, massaging and rinse clean to reveal a naturally radiant complexion. It's cleansing at its simplest and most effective. Yeah, you can't beat a good old-fashioned soap bar. So they say this is worth £5.90, and what is it? They usually have little blobs on here. This is a full-size item as well. Let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so there we go. Nice solid pink bar. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to put that in my bathroom. Is it suitable for the face or is it just a body thing? It doesn't really say, does it? Regenerating cleansing bar. I'm not sure I would use this on my face, and I've got plenty of cleansing bars, so I will just keep this to my body, but I will use it because I do like soaps. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, we've got another Philip Kingsley product, but it's not an elasticizer, which is what we've been getting a lot of recently. So we've got a Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp Shampoo. Oh, I'm going to give this to my sister because she's got quite a dry scalp. So this is a sample size, obviously. It's going by their little symbols. This has received a 4-star review on the birchbox.co.uk website. So this is Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp Shampoo. Want strong shiny hair? Get to the root of the issue by showing your scalp some TLC. This soothing formula gently cleanses the skin on your head, effectively an extension of the skin on your face, to leave it soft and healthy like your strands. Just massage thoroughly into your scalp, then rinse clean. Okay, I'll put that in the spare bedroom so when my sister comes and stays at the weekend she can use this. So yeah, so that'll get used. That's good. We also have here a little mascara. So what do we have here? So it's mascara from Douce. Douce is a brand that I've only been introduced to when I've started doing beauty boxes, but I actually quite like the brand because the brands I've been introduced to because of beauty boxes have been Bella Pierre, Douce, just trying to think of what else, Manicador, and I would say out of the brands I would say Douce is the one I like the best. Manicador I like because it's vegan and it tends to be quite woman of colour friendly as well. Bella Pierre is kind of at the bottom of my list of the brands I've been introduced to, which we get in beauty boxes. But saying that though, we did get a banana powder. I haven't used it yet, but we have got a banana powder from them in a Look Fantastic box. So here we are, we've got a mascara. This has got a nice big head, so probably one of those mascaras that gives a long, voluminous, sort of full-on lashes. So let's see what they say about it. So it's from Douce, and God, it's getting really dark, isn't it? I wonder if it's going to rain today. So it's Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. Full size of this is recommended retail price of £18. Obviously this is a travel size. If you're looking for maximum volume when it comes to your lashes, then this mascara will help you out. Large fibre bristles. Coat each lash with the carbon back formula to add depth, length and dimension. Slick on one coat for a little daytime oomph, or layer up for extra impact after hours. So there you go. Okay, so that's cool. And what else we got? So we've got one final item here. So we've got a cloth, it looks like. So it's an after spa facial micro scrubber. Ooh, I don't know about this. This is recommended retail price of £7. When it comes to washing your face, your cleanser will work a lot harder with a sidekick. This dual texture facial tool helps remove the dirt, oil and impurities in your skin that your hands can't. Apply your usual cleanser, then work the damp scrubber over your skin, rinse clean and hang to dry when you're finished. Okay, I must admit I'm quite scared of the cleansing sponges and cloths that Birchbox give us, because that last one, which was, it was just like rock hard. It was a sponge and it was just so hard and scratchy, and this doesn't feel much more gentle either. I might not use this one. I might put this one in a box of giveaway products. Okay, so because I've got enough cloths, I don't really need anything else, but we shall see. Okay, so this month we've got pom-poms, we've got a cloth, we got this highlighter which is kind of cool, we've got a little shampoo for dry itchy scalps, we got a mascara, and we got a soap bar. Nice little box. Okay, don't forget this box is only costing us £13, and is this worth £13? Yeah, I would say so, because this and the mascaras, these three products I definitely will use. So yeah, all good, I say. That's a good little box. And the shampoo, as I said, I'm going to give to my sister, so it's all going to get used. The only thing I'm possibly going to be giving away is the sponge, but that's just by choice. It's not because it's a product that I can't use. It's a choice thing. I'm giving it away. I just realised I've kept you right in, haven't I? Cool, blimey. God, you've had my face full on all that time. Sorry. So here we go. So that's this month's box. I think that's a decent little box this month, actually. £13. Yeah, happy with that. Cool. There we go. Thumbnail. Alright, what did you think of your Birchbox this month? Did you get the same items as me? I'm interested to see what the variations are. So later on tonight I will watch and see what everybody else got. And I will try and get this video uploaded tonight, which is Tuesday the 15th. If not Tuesday the 15th, it might be Wednesday. But I will try and get them up. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I need to put some lipstick on now, don't I? Alright, so please take care and have a great week. Alright. Bye.